Hello friends, welcome to BNXpert. In our last tutorial, we learned about Magic Wand tool. Today we will have a look on some more options of this tool along with Quick Selection tool. When we select pixels with Magic Wand tool, our selection edges may appear harsh and jagged. So, leave the Anti-alias option turned on to smooth out the edges by applying a slight blur to them. Let's select this green petal of the flower with Anti-alias option turned on, copy and paste in a new file, move it a bit to left, come back, deselect. Now let's turn off the Anti-alias option and select the same petal, copy and paste in the other file. When I zoom in, notice the selection with Anti-alias option turned off has harsh and jagged edges, whereas the other petal has slight blur and smooth edges. This tool has another option called Sample All Layers. It is unchecked by default, which allows to select pixels only on the layer that is currently active in the Layers panel. But in case we have multiple layers in the document and we want to select pixels from all the layers, then check on the Sample All Layers option. For example, we have two layers in this picture. Layer 1 contains these two pigeons and the rest are in the background layer. You can see the Sample All Layers option is off and layer 1 is active. Now when I click on the pigeon, it selects the white area from layer 1. Now deselect and click on background layer to be activated. Click on the same place. This time it does not select the white area from layer 1. Instead, it selects the blue sky from the background layer. Means it selects the pixels from the layer which is currently active. But in the same situation, if we turn on Sample All Layers option and click on the same place, it selects the white area from layer 1. It doesn't matter the layer 1 is active or not. The next tool we are going to learn today is Quick Selection tool. Its shortcut is W or Shift W. It is used to cover a selection quickly. These options work for Quick Selection tool similarly as for Marquee and Lasso tool. Click here to open the brush settings. Here you can adjust the brush size. You can increase or decrease the brush size like this. You can also use the shortcut keys right or left square brackets instead of opening the brush settings every time, as you can see. Let's select the flower in this image. First of all, adjust the brush size to fit inside the area you want to select. Then, click and drag over the part of the image you want. You can see the selection expands outward and automatically detects the edges in the image.